We live our lives on a human scale. Steps, car rides, flights. Our daily routines are measured in minutes, hours, and distances we can easily imagine. Even the farthest places we travel on Earth are still within the realm of our experience, and we rarely stop to consider just how small our world really is. But the universe operates on a scale that shatters our intuition. The cosmos stretches far beyond anything we can see or touch, and its vastness is almost impossible to truly grasp. Our familiar units, miles, kilometers, become meaningless when we look to the stars. The distances between planets, stars, and galaxies are so immense that our minds struggle to comprehend them. The first challenge of cosmology is learning to think beyond our instincts, to see the cosmos as it truly is. We have to let go of our everyday sense of scale and open ourselves to a reality that is far stranger and more magnificent than we ever imagined. Textbook diagrams shrink the solar system to fit a page, but reality is far more empty and vast. The planets are tiny specks, separated by enormous gulfs of nothingness, and the true scale is almost impossible to draw or visualize. Imagine explaining the ocean to someone who's only seen a puddle. Numbers alone can't capture the immensity. The difference is not just in size, but in the feeling of standing before something so much greater than yourself. The solar system is our cosmic ocean, and we live on a tiny, isolated island. Our planet is a fragile oasis, surrounded by endless space, and every journey beyond it is a leap into the unknown. The emptiness between worlds is profound. Millions of miles of darkness, punctuated by rare, lonely planets. Most of space is a silent, cold void, with only the faintest glimmers of light to break the darkness. Understanding this scale isn't just academic, it's a shift in perspective that reveals both our smallness and the preciousness of our world. It reminds us how unique and delicate our home is, floating in the vastness. Let's recalibrate our minds and take a true tour of the solar system. Immense, empty, and awe-inspiring. Only by stretching our imaginations can we begin to appreciate the true grandeur of the universe. Join me as we stretch our imaginations and see our place in the cosmos as it really is. Together, we'll explore the wonders and mysteries that make space so endlessly fascinating and so humbling. At the center of it all is the sun, the anchor, furnace, and source of life for our solar system. The sun holds over 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Everything else is just cosmic dust by comparison. Its size is staggering. You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. If Earth were a marble, the sun would be a 5-foot sphere, utterly beyond our daily experience. The sun's power comes from nuclear fusion, converting 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, releasing unimaginable energy. This energy travels across space, warming our planet and fueling life. The sun has burned for 4.6 billion years and will shine for billions more, holding our world in a life-sustaining orbit. Without it, our solar system would be a frozen, lifeless void. The sun is the beginning of our story and the center of our cosmic home. Closest to the sun are the terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, small rocky worlds forged in the heat of our star. These planets form a tight-knit neighborhood, each with its own dramatic story, shaped by fire, gravity, and time. Mercury, the swiftest, is a tiny, cratered ball scorched by day and frozen by night. With almost no atmosphere to hold in heat, its surface temperature swings wildly, making it a world of extremes. Venus, Earth's twisted twin, is shrouded in toxic clouds and crushed by intense pressure, hotter even than Mercury. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, turning the surface into a smoldering inferno where metal can melt. Earth, the third rock, is a rare oasis. Liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and teeming with life. Our planet's blue oceans and green continents set it apart, making it a vibrant world in a harsh solar system. Our planet's position is everything. A bit closer, we'd be a furnace. Farther, a frozen desert. This narrow band, the habitable zone, is where life as we know it can thrive. Mars, the red planet, is cold and dry, with a thin atmosphere and rusty soil. Its surface is marked by giant volcanoes, deep canyons, and dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. Yet Mars fascinates us. Ancient riverbeds hint at a wetter past, and it beckons as a future frontier. Scientists dream of exploring its mysteries and perhaps, one day calling it home. These four worlds, huddled near the sun, tell a story of fire, pressure, life, and lost water. Each planet reveals a different path, shaped by its distance from the sun and its unique history. Each is a unique chapter in the solar system's tale, offering clues to how planets form and evolve. Their differences remind us how delicate the balance for life truly is, and how rare our own world may be in the vastness of space. The inner solar system is a place of extremes, scorched, crushed, thriving, and frozen. Here, the drama of planetary evolution plays out in vivid detail, and beyond them, the solar system changes dramatically. Let's journey outward, to worlds stranger still. Beyond Mars and the asteroid belt, we enter the realm of giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are unlike anything found in the inner solar system, each one a world of extremes, mystery, and wonder. Jupiter, the largest, could swallow all other planets, and still have room to spare, a swirling ball of hydrogen and helium. Its immense size and powerful magnetic field make it a true king among planets, shaping the very architecture of our solar system. Its great red spot is a storm larger than Earth, raging for centuries, and its gravity commands dozens of moons. Some of these moons, like Europa and Ganymede, may even harbor subsurface oceans, making them intriguing targets in the search for life. Saturn, slightly smaller, dazzles with its iconic rings, billions of icy fragments orbiting in a paper-thin disk. These rings are constantly changing, shaped by Saturn's many moons and the planet's own gravity. The rings make Saturn a celestial jewel, unmatched in beauty. Saturn's own family of moons, including the mysterious Titan, add to its allure and complexity. Farther out, Uranus and Neptune are ice giants, smaller than Jupiter and Saturn, but still massive. Their atmospheres are rich in water, ammonia, and methane ices, setting them apart from their gas giant cousins. Methane gives them their blue hues. Uranus rolls on its side, while Neptune boasts the fastest winds in the solar system. These planets are shrouded in mystery with storms and weather patterns that challenge our understanding. These distant worlds are cold, dark, and mysterious, guardians of the solar system's outer edge. Sunlight, here, is faint, and temperatures plunge to unimaginable lows. Their moons and storms hint at hidden oceans and dynamic weather. Each planet system is a miniature solar system in itself, full of surprises and secrets waiting to be uncovered. The gas and ice giants show us just how diverse our solar system truly is. Their differences remind us that the universe is full of possibilities and that there is still so much to learn. They are worlds of extremes, far removed from the warmth of the sun. Yet, even in the cold and darkness, they hold clues to the origins and evolution of our cosmic neighborhood. And the emptiness between them is vast, a silent expanse that separates these giants and reminds us of the scale and grandeur of our solar system. To grasp these distances, let's build a scale model. Shrink the sun to a basketball. Earth becomes a tiny peppercorn, 26 meters, 85 feet away. Mercury and Venus are even smaller, orbiting closer in this vast emptiness. Mars is another peppercorn, 40 meters from the sun. Jupiter, a chestnut, sits 135 meters away, over a football field's length. Saturn, a slightly smaller gumball, is 250 meters out. Uranus and Neptune, small marbles, are half a kilometer and 3/4 of a kilometer away. Pluto, a speck of dust, is over a kilometer from our basketball sun. Our model solar system now spans a neighborhood, tiny worlds separated by oceans of empty space. The true solar system is even more immense. Most of it is nothingness. The scale model reveals a truth. It's nearly impossible to show both the planets' sizes and their distances accurately. Make the planets visible, and the distances become unmanageable. Shrink the distances, and the planets vanish. If our basketball sun sat at the Eiffel Tower, Earth would orbit near the Arc de Triomphe, Jupiter in La Défense, Neptune near Charles de Gaulle Airport. The emptiness is the defining feature, vast, silent, and lonely. Probes like Voyager have traveled for decades and only just left the sun's influence. The next star, Proxima Centauri, would be another basketball in Cairo, over 3,200 kilometers away. Our solar system is a tiny outpost in a vast, dark galaxy. The scale is beyond imagination. So, what does this cosmic scale mean for us? Our planet is a fragile speck, orbiting an ordinary star in a vast, indifferent universe. All of human history has unfolded on this tiny stage. This perspective is humbling, but also empowering. In all this emptiness, Earth is a rare, vibrant exception, bursting with life. Knowing how precious this is gives us reason to protect our world. Our smallness makes what we have extraordinary. The vastness of space is not a barrier, but a challenge, fueling our curiosity and drive to explore. The study of the universe connects us, reminding us of our shared home and destiny, and that, perhaps, is the greatest lesson the cosmos offers.